Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off auto rotate screen in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, you want to off this auto rotate screen, so guys you can off. And guys, now let's see how to off auto rotate screen in Xiaomi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you off it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to off this auto rotate screen. Then guys scroll and guys you can see this display setting in your Xiaomi phone. So guys click here and guys scroll. Then guys you can see your auto rotate screen. So guys we will off from this right side. So you can see guys your phone will not rotate. So you can see guys this phone will not rotate. So I hope friends you have understood how to off auto rotate screen in Xiaomi phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.